How to add a driver on app. Want to keep a digital record of your fleet drivers? You can do that by adding driver inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To add a driver, you must first have a wired GPS tracker, or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System and get started. Tap on More from the top navigation menu and select Manage Driver. A dashboard will appear with a list of all drivers in your fleet. Tap on the Add Driver button. You can find it on the bottom right of your screen, in the shape of a plus sign. Now enter the driver details, starting with the driver name and mobile number. Then select the vehicle to which you would like to assign the driver. Leave the field blank in case you don't want to assign the driver to any vehicle. Next, enter the driver's driving license number. This will help you maintain a digital record of your driver's document. Add guarantor's name and mobile number. Tap Save to save driver details and you're all done. You can add as many drivers as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, book a demo now.